Welcome to a glimpse inside my homemaking journey. Today, we're working in the backyard. Do make sure you stick around till the end of the video, and I'll be showing a recipe for my go-to cocktail. If you're new to my channel, my name's Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. I'm a wife and part-time working mom to 3 boys, ranging in age from 4 to 16 years old. This bounce house is probably one of the best parental purchases I've ever made. It may seem like a little bit of an unconventional toy, but I tell you what, it entertains the kids for hours on end. I'm starting by cleaning the back patio. It always has a way of accumulating different toys and getting quite covered in dust and pollen. I'm going to take all of the children's toys, put them back where they belong, and then focus on wiping down this table. If you've been around for a while, you'll remember this patio from last summer. My husband and I spent countless weekends out here working to revamp our backyard. We did all of it on quite a budget, and I'm still so satisfied with the way that it all turned out. Fall has always been my favorite season, though summer's really growing on me. Having a space in the backyard that we primarily use in the summer months has really transformed the way that I feel about the entire space outside. Having this area where we're able to sit down as a family and enjoy a meal really does make all the difference. I am always quite surprised how dirty this table gets. If you watched my video on how we did this entire patio makeover, you'll remember that this table is something I revamped. I found tiles at Home Depot to replace the ones that were previously in the table. Having something that's white really does show all of the dirt. You'll see, this table gets quite grimy and gross. Nothing a little all-purpose cleaner can't handle though. Do you have a favorite season? Let me know in the comments down below. Why yes, that is sidewalk chalk on the side of my house, thanks to my children's artwork. I am going to focus on cleaning off our new patio furniture. This is something that we added to the backyard this year, and while I did select it in a dark black color with gray upholstery, it does still show quite a bit of dirt and grime. I used to find it so aggravating picking up after my children. Though as my oldest child grows, I realize time really is a thief. Soon enough, all of my children will be at work. They'll be spending more time with friends and less time at home. I'll miss these days. I'll miss hearing the pitter-patter of their little feet and picking up their little messes. For now, I'm trying to just relish all of these little moments, the time I have with them to watch them play and watch them grow. It really does go by so quickly. remember these pools from your youth? I know I do. This is probably the thing that sparks the most joy for my children each summer. Something about this little pool just brings such bright smiles to their little faces. My husband focused on scrubbing it out earlier, and now we're going to refill it with water. We can't forget June. She's our 9-year-old German Shepherd. Such a sweet dog, but my goodness, the hair. Even spending 5 minutes a day focusing on furminating the dog doesn't really make as much of a difference as you'd think. Though I'm convinced it has to be better than the alternative, so I'm giving her a little bit of attention and removing some of the extra hair from her fur. Remember the bounce house from earlier? It's time to let that blow up. The kids will be out here in no time, bouncing around and splashing in their pool. I'm going to take just a moment to appreciate my hard work and take in the difference that just a couple of minutes makes in our backyard. As promised, here's my cocktail of choice. Rosé is hands down my favorite wine, though I find that if I mix it with a sparkling water, it really takes it to the next level. This is my preference in rosé. Yes Way Rosé, to be specific. I will be adding just a splash of Spindrift. Raspberry lime is the flavor I had on hand today. I do 1 part of rosé to 3 parts of sparkling water. It gives it just enough flavor to let the wine shine through, but without being too strong. If you ever try one of my recipes, make sure and tag me on Instagram and let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel and haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on my face on the left-hand side of your screen. I will include the playlist of my entire backyard makeover on the right side of your screen, as well as a video that YouTube thinks that you would enjoy on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. I hope you're all doing well. Bye!